In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're building a website from scratch or simply adding new content, knowing how to organize pages effectively is crucial. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Once you arrive at the login screen, select the option to continue with Google. This makes signing in a breeze if you've linked your Squarespace account to your Google profile. If not, feel free to log in using your preferred method. After you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the website where you wish to add the subpage. Now that you're on your website's dashboard, it's time to navigate to Pages. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your screen. Pages are where all the magic happens, as this is where you set up and organize your site's navigation. Once you're on the Pages section, look for a small plus icon, typically located on the upper part of your screen. Clicking this icon allows you to add a new page to your website. But we want this page to be a sub-page, so there's a little more we need to do. Next, click on the newly created page and you'll see an option labeled drop-down. Select this option. Now this step is crucial. Find the page you just created and drag it below the drop-down page in your list. You'll notice when dragging that you can nest this page under another by positioning it slightly to the right. Once you're satisfied with its placement, release your mouse to drop it there. And there you have it. By dragging the page beneath the drop-down in this manner, you've created a sub-page. This setup not only helps your visitors navigate your site with ease, but also keeps your content organized and visually appealing. As a tip, always take a moment to preview how this new navigation works for your users. Ensure that when visitors hover or click on the main navigation item, they can easily see and access your new subpage. This step is about ensuring a smooth user experience, which is key to maintaining an engaging and professional website. So, go ahead and try adding a subpage to your Squarespace site. With this step-by-step guide, it should be a simple and straightforward process. Don't hesitate to explore more with Squarespace's powerful tools to further customize and enhance your website's layout and functionality. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions in the comments section below. Happy creating!